What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, and if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Optimism, or more specifically, the OP token, OP coin, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I just wanted to cover it. There's nothing really going on. As you can see, volume is dropping. It's very stable right now over the last 24 hours. But I know a lot of you hold it or have traded it, and it was requested a couple of times. So I thought let's do an update on it. Has been a while too. No major. I mean, if you're new to this channel, usually what I do is I cover some of the news around it, maybe some market circumstances, and then we dive into the price. That's also what we'll be doing in this video. But in this case, there's not really news around Optimism, I believe. No, it's just being developed. It's active, of course. I think it's excuse me, this is the wrong one. This one. Yeah, so obviously it's very active and it's being developed. And I think to zoom into Optimism itself, I think Optimism has a bright future. It's definitely going to be a top 100 coin in future. Apart from that, there's still a lot of inflation in the price of Optimism. You must know that. All right, so maybe investing right now is a little bit too early, but still long term, I think it's a great buy. That's also why it's on my watch list. But yeah, apart from that, let's actually zoom into the price. As you can see, the price has been pretty boring over the last couple of days. Not really anything going on. We have found support at this support level here at 1.05, 1.07 again. Which is a support level we've held for a long time. It's between 1.1 and 1.05. Technically, it runs down all the way through to $1, which is obviously a big psychological support level. And basically what I expect is also in line with what I expect for the crypto market. Next week, Wednesday, we'll have a new interest rate decision. That's going to be big. Up until that time, I expect us to be relatively stable and a little bit bearish. That's also what I expect for OP. Right now, our main resistance level is 1.17, 1.2, this level right here. I think we can get there. I don't think we'll break above that. I think it's more likely that we'll kind of consolidate between 1.05 and 1.17. And then when we get a little bit more bearish momentum, so if Bitcoin drops down to 19,000, I think we can see OP at around $1. I do think it's going to hold though. And then Wednesday, basically what will happen is we'll either get a big move down, break below $1 and drop down to 85 cents, or we'll get a bullish breakout above 1.2 and get up to 1.3. But that all depends on the outcome of that interest rate decision. So I cannot really say anything about that. If the projections become higher and longer, so that the interest rate will be higher and for a longer period of time, we're going down. If it's expected that they're not going to hike the interest rate that much, then we're probably going up. So just wanted to say that in advance, but obviously it also depends a lot on what they say and on the press conferences, and it's a very hard thing to analyze altogether. But yeah, so that's my take on OP for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.